here. Take it away, ladies.
Okay, good evening. Happy Monday. So happy you guys can join us here tonight on this lovely Monday. Get your week started off excited and just learn some great things about who we are and who this company is and how this opportunity could potentially serve you or just be a light in your life or these products, whatever it is that you need. I think we got it here. So my name is Destiny and I am a market partner with Monat. I did start this journey in October of 2016, just simply using the products. I didn't start this business until about a year later after I had my second daughter, and I realized a couple months before my mat leave was over that I didn't want to go back to work. I wanted to take this opportunity and run with it and see if it was something that could fit in my life where I could be that stay-at-home mom that I missed out doing or didn't even know that I wanted to do when I had my oldest daughter. So I do have a 19-year-old, a 5-year-old, and a 3-year-old. So I've had a couple walks of different life here with the kids. So now I know that I do want to be that stay-at-home mom and not miss out on everything that I don't need to by, using this as my vehicle to be here. So I'm just going to get started and simply share with you, if you can read, you could do this, okay? I'm going to use this all the time because it is a great guide, and that's simply what Monat, they give you this pamphlet. We walk through it and you just put your own little twist on it. You can read from it, whatever, right? So, okay, so here we go. The first thing here is our product's promise. We only use safe, clinically tested ingredients. We have third-party testing. We have safe fragrances. And before, I don't think I even understood the concept of fragrances. I didn't realize that fragrances could be very harmful for you. It masks odors. People have allergic reactions. Even for my youngest son, like his skin would react so bad even after having a bath. Like, I was thinking that I was using safe products as like body washes and stuff. Obviously it wasn't Monat. And he'd get really bad eczema and like dry patches. And it's like, didn't even clue into me that that could potentially be what the issue was, because we don't know all those ingredients that they hide in there on us. So cause allergic reactions, skin irritation. So we don't want none of that, right? We are vegan and animal friendly. We are Leaping Bunny certified. So that also means that any of the ingredients that are put into our product are not tested on animals. They simply some companies can pretend and say that they don't test on animals, but the end product is not being tested on animals. Some of their ingredients could potentially be as well. And we don't want that. That is not nice. We want to, not be that type of company. We want to do everything, keeping everybody safe. So we use safe colorants as well. And if you guys don't know, I like to look on the Think Dirty app. It's a great app to like put in different products around your house to see what potential ingredients are in them to see if they're harmful. And I found it pretty interesting. So that's one app I like, just a little side note there. So number 9, we are a family. So it's a family ran business, and I came into this team with a family. We got the Gertson girls, which is so awesome. And I just love being a part of this community because you feel like you are part of a family. You're not just coming in and doing a business solely on your own. You have that support around you. There's a culture of teamwork and collaboration. We get together with the team, even across lines. Everybody does this business together and everybody's here to help you out. So we were founded in 2014 by Luis and Ray Urdaneta, so a father and son, and they have driven by an entrepreneurial spirit and like-minded business owners. So number 8, which is so incredible, and I didn't realize the impact that this has on our compensation plan, is that we own our own distribution and manufacturing. So there is no middleman. There's nobody else dipping their fingers into the pot. It's simply Monat and us market partners, which is awesome. And we are manufactured in the United States. We have distribution centers in the US, Canada, and Europe. I'm not sure about the other countries that we launched in. So I'm not going to touch on that, but Monat is able to bypass the typical retail chain model, which includes a manufacturer, wholesaler, sales force, and retailer. So this allows us to offer amazing products and value for our customers and puts more money into the pockets of the market partners. And so we do pay out 50 cents to the dollar compared to the industry standard of 25 to 30. So that's pretty generous. It's pretty awesome. So I'm happy about that one. And that makes us also, we're able to be competitively priced as well. So we do have luxury skincare and hair care. We are the #1 hair care line. And I feel like, you know, just in general with our Purchase Plus program, or, you know, all the discounts that we get these premium products for like a stellar deal. So it's pretty awesome. And like sometimes they're throwing in a free oil, free serums, like you're not going to see that anywhere else. And they're able to do that because there is no middleman, because they're not paying out to other people who are dipping their fingers in the pot. So that is so good. We do have a scientific advisory board, which they have a dermatologist and ophthalmologist. They're developed in-house by experts and backed by our scientific advisory board, a panel of specialists who confirm all science, clinicals, and formulations. If you look, I'm not even going to go into all of them because I'm going to probably screw it up. But if you want to look, we actually on our website, you can look at all our scientific advisory board and see their credentials. And I just know that they're not going to put their name on Monat if they don't believe full-heartedly that this is the best and they have the best. They've done all the testing. They've done all that stuff for us. Like, we're not the scientists. I trust them. So I'm just going to leave it at that. We got groundbreaking technology and formulas that perform. So we have science and nature that come together, which gives you that Monat modern nature, which is pretty cool. We are celebrated worldwide. We are the winner of 40+ awards for business and products across the globe. We're featured in some of the world's leading publications like Forbes, Vogue, CTV, Elle, Cosmopolitan, and so many more. What I find is I've noticed that in Europe, we actually have a ton of awards for our skincare. And this is pretty amazing because their standards are so high. There are about 1,328 beauty ingredients that they ban in Europe compared to 500 in Canada and only 11 in the US. So we hadn't had to change a single ingredient after launching from the US, which only has 11 banned ingredients, to Canada, then to Europe. So that says something right there for our company. They've done the research, they have the safest ingredients, so we can trust that. So next, I'm going to go into touch a little bit on this is our incredible VIP program. My favorite program. I love it. It is so great when you can, you know, service your customers and be so proud of our program and what we can provide for them at incredible discounts, deals, you know, our free products, just all the perks that come with it. Actually, another one that I love is like a $32 coupon code, discount code on only a $64 order with free shipping. What? Like, I don't see that anywhere. This is the only place that like people are getting birthday codes like that. So it's pretty cool. Yeah, and Kristina is going to touch a little bit more on that later on that. And again, number 4, the opportunity is what brought us all here together. And my most favorite part of this business, we do have a consumable product line that is booming in the hair care and skincare industry. Lucrative compensation plan, earned incentive trips in events, positive financial impact on more than 200,000 families annually. Like, that's pretty incredible. We are a modern e-commerce platform, so you can run your business from your phone, from your laptop, in your car, when you're stopped and taking your kids to the activities. You can, you know, do your business while you're sitting in the vehicle waiting, or sit and watching a practice or whatever, right? So you can do this literally from anywhere, and I love that. And the friendships and personal development opportunities are endless here. So number 3 is our gratitude program. And this is the #1 pillar in Monat is their gratitude. That's what they strive on. The gratitude program has invested more than 2 million in local communities in the past 5 years, which is pretty amazing. They give back in spirit of gratitude, and that's just an integral part of their culture. So everywhere that Monat touches down onto, any trips that they go on, they always have a gratitude initiative attached to that because they want to make an impact wherever they go. And they really do this. Like, it gives me chills when I like trips that I watch people go on, what they do, and like just hearing back from the people that have been impacted by Monat's like, you know, couple day trip there. They truly are a different breed there. Like, it's so amazing, right? They just make people happy. So that's awesome. We are global and growing. So like I said, we started in US, went to Canada, the UK, Poland, Ireland, Spain, Lithuania, and now we just recently launched in Australia. So that is super, super, super exciting. 8 countries in 7 years, right? Is that what it is? Yeah, 8 countries in 7 years. So we're not stopping here. We are going global. And there are the opportunity to earn shares in Australia right now, but even thinking in the future where you could earn shares by just sharing this with people around the world. Like, the opportunities are endless, and you don't have to only, you know, sell products to people in your own backyard, and you're not delivering these products, right? You're able to share globally, and Monat takes care of that because they take care of all the shipping. So you don't have to hold inventory. Is this another side note there? And then the number one thing is that we are premium healthy aging. So we started with hair care, we went to skin care, and now we do have wellness. So much goodness there. Yeah, I started off loving the hair care, and I simply did this business to grow my hair, and it's just grown into so much more. Learning how these products are so beneficial, but also good for you. They don't risk your health at all. It's just amazing all around. So I am going to turn it over to Kristina, and she's going to share her story with you, and then the 3 ways you can join.
Hi. First of all, thanks for being here. I am Kristina. I've been with Monat, I think, going on 5 years. I'm a stylist. I had a retail salon, and I moved my business home just before I joined Monat, maybe 4 or 5 months. So my story is a little different because I did not want to like this at all. I did not. I went to school and I was taught that salons get their products from a supplier. And I don't know why, but that's what we were taught. So I have a thyroid condition and I lose hair. That's just an ongoing thing. So a friend of mine got involved with Monat, and she's like, just try it. And I said, well, whatever. And she's like, no, try it. Well, I don't know, at that point, it wasn't growing my hair back the first time, but I loved the product. And I mean, I can have any product I want, I can have access to. And I've never loved something the first time. So I guess, you know, not everybody maybe does, but it hit me hard. So then I was gonna like keep it a secret because I have a salon. I can't tell people that I'm using something that doesn't go into a salon, but I couldn't because people started to notice and my hair started to grow back. So, and why wouldn't you share something like that? That's just too amazing not to share. So, I mean, I converted over the next year, my salon over to all Monat, and people were happy. I was happy. And then I earned a trip to Vegas. So that was like, wow, I didn't really have to even work too hard for that. I mean, there was a few times where you're like, okay, I'm so close. But really, it just kind of worked the way it should. And Then I took my husband on a trip to Vegas, and he turned around and said, like, why aren't we doing this? Like, why aren't you working this as a business? Why are you just selling some shampoo? And I was like, well, I don't know, because I'm a salon owner. That's what I do. And now I'm a network marketer and a salon owner. So, you know, I can't even tell you what this does. This company itself is amazing. And I'm proud to be part of it. You know, I'm the group of people on Team Impact are amazing, but everything that this company stands for is what it checks all my boxes, from gratitude to the product to the ingredients. It just checks all the boxes. So I say, sign up, let's go. You know, like, let's help each other and get there. So I'm going to tell you how to go about that. There's 3 ways to join. You can be a retail customer and you get amazing product shipped directly to you, and you get to pay for that. You get to pay shipping. Or you can be a market partner. And I always go market partner before VIP because I really think this opportunity can help anybody. If you're not really ready to be a market partner, you can be a VIP, and that is a great place to be. VIPs get 15 to 25% off because we have Purchase Plus, and the discounts just keep adding up. You also have access to flash sales, you get birthday codes. There's probably a whole lot of things that I am really nervous and not remembering right now. And that's just honest. So, yeah. Talk to the person who sent you to this call, because they can answer everything else. And if as a stylist you have questions, or you need, you know, anybody has a stylist question, I'd be happy to answer that too. Thank you for being here.
Thank you so much, ladies. Like she said, go to the person who sent you here, ask questions, ask. And I just want to say thank you so much to Destiny and Kristina for giving us pieces of your evening tonight. We appreciate you so much. And if you have anyone who missed this live, it is going to be up on a recording on a YouTube link. So please feel free to share it. Talk to you guys later. Bye.